Well, I made this to help you understand the question number 6, module number 5. Now let's check here. For this one, right, it tells you to about the possibility how to use a flowchart or pseudocode to give some comment in order to draw a square or circle here, right? So to make it simple, right, you think about if I want to draw a square here, right? So for the first time, I have the paper and I have a pen here, right? So if I want to draw for a square, I need to lower pen, right? Right? I heading to the right? So what is it? I have to do it 4 times, right? So see, one time here, right? And every time I done with the one line, I have to change the direction to the right? So I have to do for the second time. Now I change direction to the right. I do it for the 3rd time. I change direction to the right. I do it for the 4th time here. So I done with the square here, right? I done with this square. Now think about if I want to draw a circle here, right? On the right of the square here. So what is it? After I done with the square here, for sure, I need to raise my pen here, right? I raise my pen. I set direction to the right, and I move to 5" here. I want to separate it here, right? And now if I want to do it for a circle, I need to do it for 360 times, right? So every time I have moved a little bit here, I change the degree to 1 degree, right? I set the right to the 1 degree, and so on, 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 so on, so on, so on, so on. I keep doing it for 360 times. And this every time it's only tiny, it's 1/36" only, right? Because the diameter here is a 300 and diameter here is 1 inch. So every time you just draw a line, a tiny line here, 1/360 here. Right? Makes sense. So we see if you look into my pseudocode here, I take from one of the student here. I modify a little bit here, right? So we'll see. The first time I need to lower pen here, right? I have to lower pen. I set the direction to the right. Now, if I want to do with a square, I do it for 4 times, right? After I've done with the square here, again, I have to raise my pen. I set it to the right. I move to the 1 inch line here to separate between them, right? And again, I had to put my hand down. Now I do it for 360 times. Every time I just draw for tiny line here, right? Very short line here, 1/360" line. And every time I also have to turn it to the right for 1 degree here, right? So that is a pseudocode. And in the case of flowchart, I just convert exactly same, right? I lower the pen, I set to the right, I do it for 4 times. If not 4 times yet, keep doing it until 4 times. So when 4 times? No, that means not 4 times, that means 4 times already, right? So you exit the law, the loop. I raise my pen, I set to the right, I move to the new position with a 5" separate here, right? And I put my pen down. I keep doing it for 360 times here. Right? Keep doing it for 360 times. Okay, I have to put it here. Yes, here, right? And I have to put it now here. I keep doing it, and after I done, I raise my pen. That's all. That is the case. That's the logic of this one. That's the logic. And remember that when you work with this one, you have to follow which structure here. I see that's many of you use they call it spaghetti code, right? Because you use unstructured logic for this one here. I hope that's help you to understand about this one.